In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control camera zoom in Snagit. To get started, open TechSmith Snagit on your computer. Once Snagit is open, click the capture button to begin setting up your recording. From there, make sure you select video capture mode since camera controls are only relevant when you're recording video rather than taking a static screenshot. Next, choose the area of your screen that you want to record. Take a moment here to frame the correct portion of your display because this helps keep your recording clean and focused. If you want your camera to appear in the video, enable the webcam option before you begin recording. This adds your camera feed as an overlay, which is useful for tutorials, presentations, or any recording where you want to appear on screen. After that, click record to start capturing your video. Once the recording begins, you can use Snagit's screen draw tools or any webcam controls that appear to adjust your camera overlay while recording. This is helpful if you want to reposition your camera view or make sure it fits nicely with the rest of your content. It's important to understand that Snagit itself may not provide a direct zoom slider for every webcam. If your goal is to zoom your camera in or out, and your webcam supports hardware zoom, you'll usually need to use your webcam's built-in controls or the manufacturer's software. In many cases, this can be done either before you start recording or while the recording is in progress, depending on your camera and software setup. So if you don't see a zoom option directly inside Snagit, that usually means the zoom control is handled by the webcam, rather than by Snagit itself. As you record, keep an eye on how your camera overlay looks on screen. A good tip is to make sure your face stays centered and the zoom level looks natural, especially if you're creating instructional content. Too much zoom can feel cramped, while too little can make you harder to see. When you're finished, stop the recording. Snagit will then let you preview the video in Snagit Editor. This is the best time to check whether the camera framing and zoom looked the way you wanted. If everything looks good, save or export your video. That's the full process for controlling camera zoom in Snagit, especially when using a webcam that supports hardware zoom.